And I am the founder of Roop Kathak Dance Academy. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning pirouettes, that is the chakkars, the turns that we take while dancing. So this tutorial is beneficial for both Kathak as well as semi-classical dancers. Let's start with the first one. The most commonly used pirouette, that is the chakkar, is the palta. In Hindi, which we call palatna, means to turn. Now while doing the palta, we turn over the right shoulder with the right leg and the right hand. The hand movement will be you open your hand upwards, you turn and back. You open, turn and back. It is a wrist movement where you open with your palm facing at the back. You turn your wrist, get it to the front and then down. Do not flip it. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now while doing so, you start with your right leg, turn with your right, look in the front, your left shoulder will come in the front, then 2, 3, 4. At 4 you have to come back in your V shape. Now with your left, 2, 3, 4. Now when you do your hands and feet together, make sure you are looking in the front at 1, then you turn your hand at 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now both your hands and feet together. 1 you look in the front, 2 you turn your hand, 3 you come in the front and 4 in V again. Now with your left look in the front, your right shoulder will come ahead, then 2, then 3 and 4. So right 2, 3, 4, left 2, 3, 4. We often see people turning, just turning. But there is a technique to everything. For example, when you turn, you have to make sure you spot in the front, you turn and come back in the front and you keep spotting at the same position. So when you turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, you have to make sure you're coming back to the origin with your hands, your feet and your look in the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you open your hands, you pull them back from your wrist and not like this. So open and pull it from your wrist, 2, 3, 4. Now the first type of movement will be opening our hands at 1 and pulling them back from the wrist and to the position. Now while turning, you have to make sure you're spotting in the front and at the same look everywhere. So you spot, turn, 3, 4. Spot, turn, 3, 4. Remember your head will go last and will come back first. Now when you open your hand, you are turning over your left shoulder with your right leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you open your hand, pull them back from the wrist. So from here we open, pull, 3, 4, open, pull, 3, 4. This was the first type. Second one we'll be doing in the counts of 8. So you go right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. When you step with your right, you step a little ahead to as if you are traveling in the front and go back 3, 4. Now the hand movements can be various for this. The most commonly used is you open, drop, come back. So palms at the back, you drop them to the side and back. So with the footwork it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now another variation to the palta is opening your right leg and traveling to the same direction. So right, right, 3, 4, left, left, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much for joining in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for the next tutorial, and until then subscribe to Roop Kathak Dance Academy. We conduct online and offline Kathak classes. If you are interested and want to join us, you can DM on the given number and contact and follow us on Instagram @Roop Kathak Dance Academy. Thank you.